Kabajamtoota jaalatamtootaa fi daawwattoota Akka English with Oromic. Baga gara chaanaalii keenya nagaan dhuftan isiniin jecha guyyaa hadhaa mata duree gaaleewwan yeroo ayyaana itti fayyadamnu ibsachuuf itti gargaaramnu qabannee dhiyaannee jira jechaadha. Kana wajjin ani Nuuruu Aliyyi jedhama. Kanaan dura waan isiniin jechuu barbaadu warroota amantaa kiristaanaa taataniif ayyaanni keessan ayyaana gaarii akka ture, ayyaana jaalalaa akka ture, ayyaana kabajaa akka ture abdiin qaba. Warroota amantaa muslimaatiin immoo isiniin haa ga'u jenna, baga isiniin gahelle jenna. Walumaa galatti hadhaa wanni nu barachuu deemnu gaaleewwan yeroo iidaa jechuudha yookiin yeroo ayyaana akkamitti gammachuu keenya walii ibsina yookiin immoo akkamitti wish goona yookiin hawwinaaf jechaadha. Iida gaarii nama tokkoof akkaataa itti hawwinu laalla jechaadha. Right. Hello everyone, how are you? How's life treating you? How's life keeping you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to learn about phrases for holiday. Yeah, as we know within each other, we've been fasting for 28 days, including today. All right, so which means that these are if days: today, tomorrow, and overmorrow if it is not holiday. Right, so these days or during holiday, there are phrases we use, or there are phrases that we use to express our feeling, or sometimes we keep each other in our prayer, right? So during these days, during Eid al-Fitr, during Eid al-Adha, what phrases are you going to say? So here are some phrases to use during Eid. So let's get started without further ado. So to express our to wish someone a happy holiday or a happy Eid, what phrases are you going to use? What phrase are you going to say? So here are 10 phrases to use. Firstly, or in the first place, you can say, may God accept from us and you. May God accept from us and you. Yeah, we are keeping each other in our prayer. Why? Because we've been fasting, we've been praying, so we've been doing a lot of things. So due to this, you know, if it doesn't have acceptance, it is nothing, all right? So we need to keep each other in our prayer. So you can say, or you can wish for someone a happy Eid by saying what? May God accept from us and you. All right. Or secondly, you can say, may I find you well in a good health every year. May I find you well in a good health every year. Why? Because since your brothers, you need to what? Celebrate this year, this occasion or this holiday again and again, right? So you can say, or you can wish for someone by saying what? May I find you well and in a good health every year, which means that you need to fast, you need to do a lot of good deeds, all right? So you can wish by saying what? May I find you well in a good health every year. And the next one says, blessed Eid. Blessed Eid to you and to your family. Blessed Eid to you and what? To your family. Yeah, you're wishing for the guy at the same time for his family, or if it is her, for her and for her family too. So you can wish for them a good Eid or a happy Eid by saying what? Blessed Eid to you and to your family. And the next one says, have a happy Eid. Have a happy Eid. As we said last time, we express our happiness, all right? So we can use this phrase by saying, have a happy Eid. So when we say have a happy Eid, since it is holiday, we what? Celebrate it in a very nice way, all right? So you can express, or you can say to someone, you can wish for someone a good holiday by saying what? Have a happy holiday, or have a happy what? Eid. You can say also, have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. So you can say have a good holiday or you can wish for someone by saying what? Have a good holiday, or bro, have a good holiday, man. Yeah, either is in your religion or it doesn't matter. So you can use this. And the next one says, I wish you a very happy Eid. I wish you a very what? Happy Eid. Yeah, as we said, since it is Eid, you feel what? Happy. Or our feeling in that day is joy, right? So you can say, I wish you a very happy Eid, which means that the guy doesn't want something bad happens to you during that Eid day, right? You need to be happy because that's what? The day that all the Muslim over the world feel happy, right? So you can say, I wish you a very happy Eid and may all your good deeds be accepted by Allah, or may all your good deeds be accepted by God. Because what? We've been doing a lot of good deeds, all right? Starting from what? First day or day one, all right? For example, we've been fasting. We've been praying Taraweeh. We've been praying Tahajjud. We've been donating the charity. We've been feeding the orphan. We've been feeding the poor people, right? So we need all that our good deeds be accepted by Allah or by our God. That's our case. That's our reason why we are worshiping our God, or these are what? Some ways of worshiping our God, right? So you can say, or you can wish for someone a happy Eid, or you can keep someone in your prayer by saying what? I wish you a very happy Eid and may all your good deeds be accepted by Allah or by God. The next one says, may your Eid return. May your Eid return, which means that what? Again and again. Yeah, celebrate this year, celebrate the next year, celebrate the next year, right? Which means that you're telling the guy, or you're wishing for the guy a long life, right? When you say, may your Eid return, the guy has to celebrate a lot of Eids. All right, so you can say, may your Eid return again and again, repeatedly. You have to celebrate this with what? Peace, with love, with joy, right? So you can say, and the next one says, may Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr. Yeah, you know, that day, or in that day, God also feel happy, right? Yeah, so you can say, may Allah's blessing be showered on you, which means that like a rain, may it come down to you, right? So you can wish for someone a very happy Eid by saying what? May Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr, because Eid al-Fitr is a great day. It is the day that you open your fast. It is the day that you give the Zakat al-Fitr. It is the day that you do a lot of things, right? It is the day that you visit your family, isn't it? So you can say, may Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr. And the next one say, the final but not the least, the last but not the least, right? You can say, may you celebrate this every year. May you celebrate this every year, which means that, as you said, may your Eid return. You can also say what? May you celebrate this every year, again and again, repeatedly, at the same time, frequently. So you can say, may you celebrate this every year. And these are some phrases for wishing for someone a good holiday. Kabajamtoota, jaalatamtootaa fi daawwattoota Akka English with Oromic. Baga gara chaanalii keenya nagaan dhuftan isiniin jecha guyyaa hadhaa mata duree gaaleewwan yeroo ayyaana itti fayyadamnu ibsachuuf itti gargaaramnu qabannee dhiyaannee jira jechaadha. Kana wajjin ani Nuuruu Aliyyi jedhama. Kanaan dura waan isiniin jechuu barbaadu, warroota amantaa kiristaanaa taataniif ayyaanni keessan ayyaana gaarii akka ture, ayyaana jaalalaa akka ture, ayyaana kabajaa akka ture abdiin qaba. Warroota amantaa muslimaatiin immoo isiniin haa ga'u jenna, baga isiniin gahelle jenna. Walumaa galatti hadha wanni nu barachuu deemnu gaaleewwan yeroo iidaa jechuudha, yookiin yeroo ayyaana akkamitti gammachuu keenya walii ibsina, yookiin immoo akkamitti wish goona yookiin hawwinaaf jechaadha. Iida gaarii nama tokkoof akkaataa itti hawwinu laalla jechaadha, right? So kanaan dura wanni an yeroo hunda akka hin daganne isinitti himadhu yoo jiraadhe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and that's all. All right, so akka nurraan daganne jechuudha, subscribe gochuu, share gochuu, like nu gochuu, akkasuma video dhan kenna ka darbillee lallaalaa isiniin jechuu barbaada. Walumaa galatti osoo guddaan haasofne gara mata duree kenna haa deemnu jechaadha. Kanaafuu mata dureen kenna kadhaa maal jedha? 10 phrases for holiday. Gaaleewwan 10 maalidha ibsuudhaaf jechuudha? Ayyaanaaf jechaadha. Ayyaana kam? Mostly Eid al-Fitr is for Eid, all right? So you can say Firstly, jalqaba irratti nama tokko iida gaarii yeroo hawwituuf akkana jechuu dandeetta jechaadha. May God accept from us and you. May God accept. You know, it's pronounced as accept. Accept. There's also the word accept. Accept. Yeah. So both are pronounced the same. So you can say, may God accept from us and you. Yeah, which is in Arabic, taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Rabbiin nurraa fi isinirraallee haa qeebalu jechaadha. So akkasine walabbisnaa mira yeroo iida. All right. So you can say what? May God accept from us and you. All right. The next one says, may I find you well and in good health every year. May I find you well and in a good health. Okay? Every year. Maal jechuudha? Waggaa hundaa jechaadha. Waggaa hundaa ka gammachuu qabduu fi akkasuma ka fayyaa guutuu qabdu si haa argu jechaadha. Kana jechuudha waggaa hundaa yookiin yeroo hundaa fayyaa qabaadhu jechaadha. So you can wish for someone a happy Eid by saying, may find you well and in good health every year. The next one says, blessed Eid to you and your family. Blessed Eid to you and what? Your family. Which is like, in work, kana jechuun immoo blessed Eid to you, Eid barakaa sii fi maatii keetiifis haa ta'u jechaadha yookiin san hawwa jechaadha. So you can say blessed Eid to you and your family. Sii fi maatii keetiifis Eid barakaa siif haa ta'u jechaadha. Eid barakaa yookiin afaan Oromoo qulqulluudhaan makkaallo jedhaman fakkaata. So godha. All right. And the next one says, have a happy Eid. Have happy Eid. Jechuun immoo Eid gammachuu siif haa ta'u jechaadha. Eid gammachuu siif haa ta'u jechaadha. So you can wish for your brother, for your sister, for your friends, for your mate, for your classmate, for your roommate, for everyone, using one of the following phrases. You can use whichever you like. All right. So you can say, have happy Eid or have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. Okay? Guyyaa ayyaana gaarii siif haa ta'u jechaadha. This can be used in every holiday. Ayyaana barbaadame kamiifuu yookiin ayyaana kamiifuu fayyadamuu dandeetta jechaadha. And the next one says, I wish you a very happy Eid. And may all your good deeds be accepted by Allah. I wish you a very happy Eid. Jechuudha Eid gaarii siif hawwa jechuudha. Akkasuma and may all your good deeds dalagaante hundu dalaga khayrii jechuudha. Khayriin ati dalagatte hundu be accepted by Allah. Rabbiin haa qabalamtu jechuudha. Good deeds jechuudha dalaga khayrii jechuudha. Dalaga sharrii jechuudha barbaada immoo you can say what? Bad deeds. Bad deeds. Good deeds and bad deeds. Good deeds khayrii. Bad deeds, dalaga shariah. So you can say, I wish you a very happy Eid and may all your good deeds be accepted by Allah. Jechuudha Eid gaarii siif hawwa akkasuma maalidha? May all your good deeds dalagaan tante gaariin hundi khayriin ta'e hundi Rabbiin sirraa haa qeebalu sirraa haa fuudhu maaliif wanni guddaan durraa qeebalamudha, right? Yeah. That's why we are worshiping our God. So you can wish for someone, for your friend, for your relative, using one of the following phrases. And the next one says, may your Eid return. May your Eid return again and again. Jechuudha Eid kan kee yookiin Eid kana ka kabajju haa deddeebi'u jechaadha. Eid kana irra deddeebi'iiti kabaji jechaadha, right? Or which is may your Eid return again and again. You can say may your Eid return, or you can say may your Eid return again and again. Yeah. Inni kan kee amma irra haa deebi'u jechaadha. Waggaa kanallee kabaji ka dhufullee kabaji. Umriin si adeeratu jechaadha gabaabinaan. All right. And the next one says, may Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr. May Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr like a rain. Right. Kada jechuudha barakaa Rabbii Eid al-Fitrii kanarratti sirratti gad haa roobdu jechaadha. Sirratti gad haa jiidhu jechaadha. Guyyaan Rabbiin gammadu, guyyaan Rabbiin gabroota isaa ittiin boonu guyyaa kana waan ta'eef jechaadha. Our God will be proud of us that day because we are what? We emphasize our God, right? So you can say, may Allah's blessing be showered on you on this Eid al-Fitr. And the final one says, or the last one but not the least one says, may you celebrate this every day, every year. May you celebrate this every year. Which? Maybe Eid al-Fitr, maybe Eid al-Adha. One of them, right? May you celebrate this every year. Kana jechuun immoo kana yookiin ayyaana kana yeroo hunda maal godhi irra deddeebi'i waggaa hundumaa kabaji jechaadha. Rabbi si haa kabachiisu jechaadha. So these are some phrases you can use for the holiday if you want, or if something is unclear, you can ask us under the comments And this is all for today. If you have question, as I said last time, if you have question, suggestion, comment, idea, something unclear, let me know under the comment. But please don't forget to watch our previous lesson. This is the third video, I think. Yeah, this is the third video. So please, guys, watch it because we're doing for you. We're here for you. You're there for us, right? Yes. Kanaafuu wal haa gargaarru, wal haa jajjabeessinu, wal bira haa dhaabannu jechaan afaan baradhaa, afaan mallattoo waliigalteeti. Numa isiniin jedha. That's all for today. Bye bye.